Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to accept Zelle payment. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zelle account, which of course I have done right here. So let's quickly run through what Zelle is about. Now, Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back as per the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account, and when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So now that we know a bit of what Zelle is about, let's quickly hop into today's topic, which is how to accept Zelle payments. Let's say you have created your account in Zelle. This is the first and easy way that you can definitely use to accept payment or receive money with Zelle. Now, if you have a Zelle account, you don't need to take an additional step to receive the money another user sent to you. It will automatically be deposited into your bank account. Yes. So if you don't have a Zelle account, follow the link provided with your payment notification. So you'll be prompted to select your financial institution, then simply follow the instructions to sign up and receive funds. Now, if your bank or credit union doesn't work with Zelle, you can still receive the money through the Zelle app. So, if you have a Zelle account, there is no other additional step that you need to take to receive the money another user sent to you. Once you have sent the user your Zelle account number, so go ahead and locate your Zelle account details. So once you've sent that to the user and the user uses it to send money to you through Zelle, the money automatically is deposited into your bank account. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can accept Zelle payment or receive Zelle payment. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.